Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Welcome to our exciting exploration of famous superfoods with incredible nutritional powers. In this video, we'll dive into the world of superfoods, uncovering the unique health benefits they offer and why they deserve a spot on your plate. From vibrant berries packed with antioxidants to leafy greens that boost your energy, each superfood has its secret powers waiting to be discovered. We'll discuss how these nutrient-dense foods can enhance your overall well-being, support your immune system, and even improve your mood. So, if you're curious about elevating your diet and unlocking these amazing foods' potential, stick around. Get ready to transform your meals and health with superfoods' incredible benefits. Let's get started. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. 1. Quinoa is often hailed as a superfood for good reason. This ancient grain is a complete protein source, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need for optimal function. This makes it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans looking to boost their protein intake. Additionally, quinoa is high in fiber, which aids digestion and helps keep you feeling full longer. Being gluten-free, it's a fantastic alternative for those with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. One of the best things about quinoa is its versatility. It can be used in various dishes, from salads and soups to stir-fries and breakfast bowls. With its nutty flavor and fluffy texture, quinoa is a delicious way to enhance your meals while reaping numerous health benefits. 2. Blueberries are often referred to as a powerhouse of antioxidants, making them a must-have in any health-conscious diet. These tiny berries are rich in compounds that combat oxidative stress, helping to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This antioxidant richness not only supports overall health, but also has potential benefits for brain health and memory. Regular consumption of blueberries may improve cognitive function and delay age-related decline. Plus, they are low in calories while high in nutrient density, making them an ideal snack for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. Whether you toss them into smoothies, sprinkle them on oatmeal, or enjoy them fresh, blueberries are a delicious way to boost your health and enhance your meals. 3. Kale is often celebrated as one of the most nutrient-dense leafy greens, packed with an impressive array of vitamins and minerals. It is particularly rich in vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health, blood clotting, and calcium, essential for strong bones and teeth. Beyond its nutritional profile, kale is known for its heart health benefits, as it helps lower cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation in the body. Incorporating kale into your meals is easy and fun. You can enjoy it raw in salads, sauté it with garlic for a tasty side dish, or blend it into smoothies for a nutrient boost. With its versatility and health advantages, kale is a fantastic addition to any diet, making it a superfood. 4. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse renowned for their high omega-3 fatty acids and fiber content. These tiny seeds are excellent for heart health, as omega-3s help reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular function. Additionally, the high fiber content aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness, making them a great addition to any weight management plan. One of the unique properties of chia seeds is their ability to absorb water, forming a gel-like consistency that can enhance the texture of various dishes. This makes them perfect for creating delicious puddings or thickening smoothies. Their versatility doesn't stop there. You can incorporate chia seeds into baked goods and oatmeal, or sprinkle them on salads for an added crunch. With their numerous health benefits, chia seeds are a fantastic ingredient to include in your diet. 5. Avocados are often celebrated for their healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which promote heart health. These beneficial fats can help lower harmful cholesterol levels while raising good cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, avocados are crucial in improving nutrient absorption from other foods, especially fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. This makes them a fantastic addition to salads and smoothies. There are countless creative ways to enjoy avocados in your meals and snacks. You can spread them on toast, blend them into creamy dips like guacamole, or add them to salads for a rich, buttery flavor. With their versatility and numerous health benefits, avocados are a delicious way to enhance your diet while supporting your overall well-being. 6. Turmeric is a vibrant spice known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, primarily attributed to curcumin, its active compound. Curcumin has been extensively studied for its health benefits, including its potential role in reducing chronic inflammation linked to various health issues such as arthritis and heart disease. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can be both easy and delicious. Add it to curries, soups, and stir-fries for a warm, earthy flavor. It also works well in beverages. Try mixing it into golden milk or smoothies for a nutritious boost. Additionally, pairing turmeric with black pepper can enhance curcumin absorption, maximizing its benefits. With its versatility and health-promoting properties, turmeric is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, helping you embrace a healthier lifestyle. 7. Salmon is often regarded as one of the healthiest fish you can eat, thanks to its impressive nutritional profile. It is exceptionally high in omega-3 fatty acids, essential for heart health, and has been shown to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve overall cardiovascular function. Additionally, omega-3s play a vital role in brain function, supporting cognitive health and potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. When enjoying salmon, it's important to consider sustainable sourcing options. Look for wild-caught salmon, or those certified by organizations like the Marine Stewardship Council, to ensure you make an environmentally friendly choice. Whether grilled, baked, or added to salads, salmon is a delicious and nutritious way to enhance your diet while reaping numerous health benefits. 8. Sweet potatoes are delicious and packed with nutritional benefits. They are exceptionally high in vitamin A, crucial for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. Additionally, sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants, helping to combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. One of their standout features is their ability to stabilize blood sugar levels, making them an excellent option for those managing diabetes or looking to maintain steady energy throughout the day. The versatility of sweet potatoes is impressive. You can enjoy them baked, mashed, or roasted, and they can be incorporated into both savory and sweet dishes. Try them in soups, salads, or even as a base for a hearty veggie burger. With its numerous health benefits and culinary flexibility, sweet potatoes are a fantastic addition to any meal. 9. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green with many health benefits. It is rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including iron, vital for healthy blood circulation, and folate, which support cell function and tissue growth. Additionally, spinach is packed with antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress, promoting overall health and well-being. One of its standout benefits is its role in promoting eye health, thanks to compounds like lutein and zeaxanthin that protect against age-related macular degeneration. Incorporating spinach into your diet is easy and versatile. Toss it into salads for a fresh crunch, or blend it into smoothies for a nutrient boost without altering the flavor. With its impressive nutrient profile and health advantages, spinach is a fantastic addition to any meal. 10. Greek yogurt is a creamy, delicious dairy product with numerous health benefits and a rich nutritional profile. One of its standout features is its high protein content, which helps promote muscle growth and keeps you feeling full longer. Greek yogurt is packed with probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support gut health and aid digestion. Its versatility makes it a fantastic ingredient in sweet and savory dishes. You can enjoy it with fresh fruit and honey for breakfast, or use it as a base for creamy salad dressings and dips. When choosing Greek yogurt, it's essential to opt for low-sugar options to maximize health benefits and avoid unnecessary added sugars. With its rich flavor and nutritional advantages, Greek yogurt is a smart choice for a balanced diet. 11. Almonds are a nutrient-rich snack that offers a variety of health benefits. They are exceptionally high in vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from oxidative damage and support skin health. Additionally, almonds are packed with healthy fats, primarily monounsaturated fats, which promote heart health by lowering harmful cholesterol levels. Their combination of protein and fiber makes almonds a satisfying option for weight management, helping curb hunger and preventing overeating. There are countless creative ways to enjoy almonds. You can eat them raw, roasted, or as almond butter spread on toast. They also make a great addition to salads, oatmeal, or smoothies for added crunch and nutrition. Almonds are a fantastic choice for any diet with their delicious flavor and numerous health advantages. 12. Lentils are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering many health benefits that make them a staple in many diets. They are exceptionally high in protein and fiber, which makes them filling and helps keep you satisfied for extended periods. This combination is particularly beneficial for those looking to manage their weight. Additionally, lentils are crucial in stabilizing blood sugar levels, making them an excellent choice for individuals with diabetes or those seeking to maintain steady energy throughout the day. Incorporating lentils into your meals is easy and versatile. You can add them to soups, stews, and salads, or use them as a base for veggie burgers. With their rich flavor and impressive nutritional profile, Lentils are a fantastic addition to any healthy diet. 13. Dark chocolate is a delicious treat and a powerhouse of health benefits. It is rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. These antioxidants are linked to various health benefits, including improved heart health. Studies suggest that dark chocolate can lower blood pressure, improve blood flow, and reduce the risk of heart disease. When choosing dark chocolate, choose varieties with high cocoa content, ideally 70% or higher, as these contain more beneficial compounds and less sugar. Enjoy dark chocolate in moderation as a satisfying snack, or incorporate it into smoothies, desserts, or even savory dishes. With its rich flavor and impressive nutritional properties, dark chocolate can be a delightful addition to a balanced diet. From quinoa and blueberries to kale and dark chocolate, each superfood offers unique nutritional advantages that can enhance your overall well-being. Incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into a balanced diet is essential for promoting health, boosting energy, and supporting your immune system. We encourage you to explore and try these superfoods in your meals, discovering new flavors and recipes. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like it, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from learning about these marvelous foods. Together, we can inspire healthier eating habits and make informed choices for a better lifestyle. Thank you for watching.